Hi, we are the Million Digital, a real estate marketing specialist working with some of the top realtors in the Toronto and Greater Toronto Area real estate market. Today, we are going to guide you through the essential steps to make your home buying journey smooth and successful. Toronto is one of the hottest real estate markets in Canada. From high-rise condos in downtown Toronto to family homes in suburbs like Mississauga, Vaughan, and Markham, understanding market trends is crucial. As you can see, each region has unique market dynamics. It's essential to consider these trends when choosing where to invest. Here are some key considerations when buying in Toronto and the GTA. Affordability is key. In regions like Etobicoke and Scarborough, property prices are lower compared to downtown, offering more affordable options for first-time buyers. In Etobicoke, the average price for a condo is around $600,000, while detached homes can range between $1 million and $1.3 million. This is significantly lower than downtown Toronto, where condo prices start at $700,000 and detached homes can go well beyond $1.5 million. Scarborough, known for its suburban feel, offers even more affordable options, with condos averaging around $500,000 and detached homes starting at $900,000. These areas are considered more affordable due to their distance from the city core, offering buyers larger spaces and more green areas while maintaining good access to public transit and amenities. For first-time buyers or those looking for more space without the high downtown price tag, these areas provide great value. Proximity to work, schools, transit, and amenities is crucial. Areas like North York and Brampton offer more space, while downtown areas like King West are ideal for those who love a vibrant atmosphere. Condos, townhomes, and detached houses offer different lifestyle and budget options. Condos are great for urban living, while townhomes provide a balance between space and affordability. Looking for long-term gains? Areas with future infrastructure, like new transit lines, tend to see faster price appreciation. Brampton and Milton are excellent examples of this. Brampton has been seeing rapid growth thanks to several new developments, including the expansion of the Hurontario LRT that will connect Brampton to Mississauga and Toronto. The city is also close to key highways, like the 407, 401, and 410, making it a hub for future residential and commercial growth. Brampton's diverse population and rising job market have attracted many first-time buyers and investors, leading to consistent property appreciation over the past few years. Additionally, ongoing urban renewal projects, such as the Downtown Brampton Revitalization Plan, promise even more value in the future. Milton, often referred to as the fastest-growing town in Ontario, has benefited from its location along the Toronto-Waterloo Innovation Corridor. The Milton Education Village is being developed to attract new talent and jobs, which will fuel demand for housing. Milton is also part of the Metrolinx expansion, including new GEO transit routes, making it easier for residents to commute to Toronto and surrounding cities. This increased connectivity and infrastructure investment have made Milton a hotspot for homebuyers looking for long-term value, with property prices appreciating steadily in recent years. Financing is often the most daunting part of buying a home. Let's break down the mortgage rates and pre-approval process. Fixed-rate mortgages typically range between 5% and 6%, offering stable, predictable payments. Variable-rate mortgages start around 4.5%, but fluctuate with market conditions. Pre-approval is key to knowing your budget. You'll need proof of income, a strong credit score, and a record of your debts and assets to secure the best mortgage rate. Lenders typically look for a credit score of at least 680 to qualify for the most favorable rates. The higher your score, the better your chances of securing a lower rate. You'll also need to provide proof of steady employment or consistent income over the past 2 years. This can include pay stubs, tax returns, or employment letters. In addition, lenders may require proof of savings or liquid assets to ensure you can cover the down payment and any closing costs. Maintaining a low debt-to-income ratio, ideally below 35% of your gross income, will also strengthen your application, as lenders prefer borrowers with manageable debt loads. The goal is to demonstrate financial stability and responsibility, which will allow you to access the best rates on the market. Let's walk through the home buying process step by step. First, establish your budget and determine what you need. Are you looking for a starter home, or do you need more space for a growing family? Knowing this will help focus your search. To decide on your budget, start by looking at your overall financial picture, including how much you can comfortably afford as a monthly mortgage payment. A general rule of thumb is that your monthly housing costs, including mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance, should not exceed 30% to 35% of your gross monthly income. You should also factor in additional costs such as utilities, maintenance, and possible homeowner association fees if you're buying a condo or a townhome. When determining what kind of home you need, consider your current lifestyle and your long-term plans. Are you single or newly married and looking for a low-maintenance condo with easy access to the city center? Or are you a growing family that requires more space, such as a backyard, extra bedrooms, or proximity to schools and parks? If you're planning to expand your family, a house with more square footage and a yard in a suburban neighborhood might be a better long-term investment. If you're buying as an investor, focus on neighborhoods with strong rental demand and future growth potential. For instance, areas with upcoming public transit developments or new commercial centers tend to see faster appreciation, making them more attractive for rental income or resale down the line. Additionally, consider whether the property will need renovations and factor those costs into your budget. Once your budget is set, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This crucial step not only gives you a clear picture of how much you can spend, but also strengthens your offer when it's time to make a bid. A mortgage pre-approval involves submitting documents such as your proof of income, credit history, and debt record to the lender. Next, work with a realtor who knows the market. A good realtor will guide you through the entire buying process, offer valuable insights into neighborhoods, help you schedule property viewings, and handle negotiations with sellers. Make sure you choose a realtor who specializes in the areas you're interested in. Once you've partnered with a realtor, it's time to start house hunting. You can begin by using online tools and virtual tours to narrow down your options, then visit your top choices in person. Pay attention to the property's condition, the neighborhood, and its long-term potential for growth. When you find the right home, your realtor will help you submit a competitive offer. This step is crucial, especially in a hot market like Toronto. Be prepared to negotiate, and don't be surprised if there are counteroffers. Your realtor will help you navigate these negotiations to get the best possible deal. Negotiating effectively is all about strategy and preparation. First, know your limits, understand your budget, and be ready to walk away if the price exceeds what you're comfortable with. Your realtor can help you craft an offer that reflects current market conditions while still being competitive. If the property has been on the market for a while, you may have more room to negotiate. In contrast, if there's high demand, you might need to act quickly with a strong initial offer. Consider including contingencies in your offer, such as a home inspection or financing contingency. These allow you to withdraw from the deal or renegotiate if issues are found during the inspection or if financing falls through. Sellers may be more inclined to negotiate if they see you're serious but also protected by reasonable conditions. Also, assess the seller's motivations. Are they in a hurry to sell, perhaps due to relocation or financial reasons? If so, you might be able to negotiate a lower price or ask for concessions, such as including certain appliances or requesting repairs before closing. Flexibility on the closing date can also make your offer more appealing without having to increase the price. Finally, keep your emotions in check. Real estate transactions can be emotional, but staying level-headed allows you to negotiate more effectively. Rely on your realtor's expertise and market knowledge to guide your decisions and avoid making hasty compromises under pressure. Being prepared and flexible will give you a better chance of securing the property at the best price possible. After your offer is accepted, a home inspection is highly recommended. This inspection ensures there are no hidden issues with the property that could become costly repairs later. Once the inspection is complete and everything looks good, you'll move forward to finalize the purchase. Closing the deal involves several steps. You'll sign legal documents like the agreement of purchase and sale, mortgage documents, and the deed of transfer. Your real estate lawyer will also conduct a title search to ensure the property is free from any legal claims or liens. They'll handle the transfer of ownership and manage the land transfer tax, which is a requirement in Ontario. On closing day, the final payment is made, and you'll officially get the keys to your new home. The real estate lawyer's role is crucial in ensuring a smooth transaction. In Ontario, lawyer fees for a real estate transaction typically range from $1,500 to $3,000, depending on the complexity of the deal. This fee covers various services such as title searches, preparation and review of legal documents, and handling the transfer of funds. The lawyer will also ensure that all outstanding issues related to the property, like unpaid taxes, liens, or other legal claims, are resolved before the deal is finalized. One of the most critical tasks your lawyer will perform is the title search. This process ensures that the property's title is clean and free of any encumbrances or claims. A title search will reveal if there are any unpaid taxes, mortgages, or liens on the property, which could affect the transfer of ownership. If any issues are found, your lawyer will work to resolve them before closing, ensuring you take possession of the property without any legal complications. This step protects you from potential future disputes or unexpected financial liabilities. The lawyer will also handle the land transfer tax, a mandatory tax for property purchases in Ontario. For example, the land transfer tax on a $1 million home in Toronto would be approximately $32,950, which includes the Toronto Municipal Land Transfer Tax. Your lawyer will calculate the correct amount and ensure it's paid on time. On the day of closing, your lawyer will facilitate the final steps, including transferring the funds to the seller, registering the deed in your name, and providing you with the keys to your new home. This is the final step in the process, and once completed, you can officially move into your new home. That's your comprehensive guide to the Toronto and GTA real estate market. If you're ready to start your home buying journey or need personalized advice, contact one of our top-rated realtors today. Happy house hunting and welcome to your new home. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal, financial, or real estate advice. Please consult with a licensed real estate professional, lawyer, or financial advisor to ensure your individual circumstances are addressed before making any real estate decisions. Laws and regulations may vary by region, and it is recommended that you verify local requirements and seek appropriate professional guidance. The content in this video is not intended to form a legally binding relationship between the viewer and the presenter.